How to cancel your YouTube Premium membership or free trial. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can cancel your YouTube Premium membership or the free trial membership. Now it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First, what you'll want to do is open up the YouTube app and make sure you're logged into the account that you want to cancel the subscription for or the membership for. And here you'll get an interface like this. What you want to do is tap on the profile icon that you'll find at the top right corner of your screen. You can see the profile icon here, tap on it, and here you'll get varieties of options. You can see from your channel to YouTube Kids and YouTube Studio, varieties of different options. What you want to do is simply tap on purchases and memberships. Now here I don't have any memberships or YouTube Premium memberships or free trial at the moment, but if you do have one, you'll find it right under the memberships option. You'll find your YouTube Premium membership there if you have any. What you would want to do is tap on it and open it up, and once you open it up, a new page will open up, and there you'll find the option called deactivate. Now if you tap on deactivate, it will give you two options that you can either cancel it or you can either pause it for a specific time. If you want to cancel it, simply tap on continue to cancel and follow the process and you should be good to go. So this way you can cancel your YouTube Premium membership or free trial. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.